Hi, this is Steve Pierre from WSDOT. I'm here to tell you about an upcoming weekend full closure of 520. Crews will close SR 520 between Seattle and the east side for 54 hours beginning Friday night at 11 p.m. and wrapping up at 5 a.m. on Monday morning. The 520 trail will be closed across the lake all weekend. A few weeks ago, we closed this same stretch of 520 to shift lanes, and now we need to improve the eastbound on-ramp connections in the Montlake area. During the weekend closure, we'll also replace a large sign bridge on the floating bridge that was damaged last year. Drivers should plan ahead by using alternate routes, traveling during non-peak periods, or even avoiding trips across the lake. On Monday morning, the eastbound on-ramps from the Montlake neighborhood will be in a different alignment, so drivers should slow down as they navigate this area. For more information, view our website, call our hotline, send us an email, or follow us on Twitter.